Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the PYQ of real analysis asked in csirnet 2017. So our question is, consider the sequence alpha n is equals to 1 plus minus to the power n 1 upon n whole to the power n, then limit supremum is equals to limit infimum is equals to 1, or limit supremum is equals to limit infimum is equals to 1 upon e, or which of the following is correct. So here the sequence is this. Then first we will separate the sequence into even and odd, as it is minus 1 to the power n. So if n is even, then it is 1 upon n to the power n. If n is even, if n is odd, 1 minus 1 upon n to power n, n is odd. Why will do this? Because even power of minus 1 to the power n is plus, so it is, and if it is negative, it is odd, then it is negative. So now we will find the limit of this two different sequence. Here we find, here an is equals to, if limit n tends to infinity, 1 plus 1 upon n to the power n is equals to what? E, and alpha n limit n to the power 1 plus 1 minus or 1 to power n is equals to 1 upon e. So this is a limit supremum, this is a limit infimum. It is limit supremum and this is a limit infimum. So which option satisfies this? Limit supremum is equals to e and limit infimum is equals to 1 upon e. Is the what? Exponential. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.